Hello students, this is my third lecture. Today I'll tell you about Euler graph and Hamiltonian graph. Euler graph contains Euler path as well as Euler circuit. What is a Euler path? A Euler path through a graph is a path whose edge list contains each edge of the graph exactly once. That means all the edges should be distinct and vertices may be repeated or it may not be repeated. Euler circuit. What is a Euler circuit? A Euler circuit is a path through a graph in which the initial vertex appears second time as the terminal vertex. That means a path in which first and the last vertex should be same. A graph may contain a Euler path but not necessarily a Euler circuit. It is important. Now, Euler graph. A Euler graph is a graph which possesses a Euler circuit, and Euler circuit uses every edge exactly once, but vertices may be repeated. It can be shown with the help of example. Now consider the following graphs. First one. In this graph there are 5 vertices A, B, C, D and E. The Euler path will be from A, B, C, E, D and B. It is a Euler path but it does not contain a Euler circuit because first vertex and the last vertex are different. If it will start from A, the ending vertex will again be A. Second diagram, second graph. There are 4 vertices A, B, C and D. Euler path will be A, D, B, C, A. Here Euler path exists as well as Euler circuit exists. That means it is a Euler graph. See A, D, B and A. Next one is, in this graph there are 7 vertices A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Now see, in this there exists a Euler path. We'll start from G, G, E, D, G, F, D, B, A, C, D and A. Euler path exists but not Euler circuit. Now let's see in this diagram. This is a large graph. There are altogether 10 vertices. Okay. Now in this there are 18 edges and 10 vertices, and this is a Euler graph. Now look carefully in this diagram. There are how many edges? 18 edges. We'll see whether it is, there exists a Euler path or not. We'll show with different edges. V1 to V2, V2 to V3, V3 to V5, V5 to V2, V2 to V4, V4 to V7, V7 to V10, V10 to V6, V6 to V3, V3 to V9, V9 to V6, V6 to V4, V4 to V10, V10 to V8, V8 to V5, V5 to V9, V9 to V8, V8 to V1. So we have covered all the edges. That means it's a Euler path and starting and ending vertex is same. That means there exists a Euler circuit. That means it is a Euler graph. I think you all are understood. Now we'll go to Hamiltonian graph. Hamiltonian graph again